away. Don't run away. Hold on. And Brooke, don't run away either. You know, I got to get you guys in this thing. You know? Dr. Bill and Brooke here at the SIUe, trial site for the vertical growing study for Brooke's program. We've got 8 replicants here in this really nifty site. Everything's mounted on the post. We're going to irrigate them the same, and we're going to add a flat table component underneath each one, and we're going to compare the difference in growing between growing flat and growing vertical and see if there is any.
You know, we're really close here.
Yeah, we're going to grow flat and we're going to grow vertical. And the study's not all set up yet, but when it's all done,
It will be soon.
They'll be almost identical except their orientation, and they'll be watered at the same time in the same way, and we'll see what the difference is. This is just the beginning of some great studies yet.